So I wanted to take a few minutes to show you what your Myers-Briggs assessment results will look like. And I wanted to take a few minutes just to show you how to read your results. So I'm actually using my results as an example. So you will receive, actually our Career Center technician has probably at this point already sent you your results. It's a page, your results are 2 pages. So just to show you the first page, it basically shows you the 4 categories and gives a little summary about the assessment to remind you. And then here in the middle, it shows you the 4 categories. As you remember, where we get our energy from is the first row. The way we take in information is the second row. This third row is how we make decisions. And the fourth row is how we deal with the world structure and the type of structure we like in our life. The box that's shaded is showing you which results you are. So you can see my result. I'm leaning towards introversion. I'm leaning towards intuition. I'm leaning towards feeling. And I'm leaning towards judging. And if you go toward the bottom, this gives you a breakdown of how strong you were in each category. This part is so important to read because, as you can see, I'm leaning toward intuition, but I'm almost in this slight range. I'm not super strong. Where you compare this to my last row, which is, the J who likes structure and the P who likes to kind of go with the flow. I'm pretty clearly a J. So this can be good. Some of you might have a little bar graph that's close to the middle. That means you are very slight and could kind of go either direction. And then you'll see down here you have a snapshot of your type. As you remember in the last video, I shared with you there's 16 different types. So this is the one type of the 16 that I am. And this gives you a description about myself. So you each will have your own results that will give you a description about your specific type. So it's pretty clear and easy to read your results. But as you'll see, I have you write, one of the assignments in this module is to write a reflection to kind of go over your results. And I actually will give you the link that I would want you to click on for your type. So just to show you, this is the link that I will share with you for my type specifically. And again, it just goes into a little more detail about the INFJ, characteristics of the INFJ, how others might see them, potential areas for growth, how this type likes to choose a major, likes to play, deal with stress, how they express themselves, what might stress them out. There's a lot of really good information. It talks about learning strategies, in conflict or stress, how your type might react. Lots of information about setting goals for your type and making contact with others, preferred job tasks, work settings. I mean, this goes in very detail, but the most important page I think for this class is the last page, and this specifically lists popular occupations for your type. So you'll see it details things related to counseling and education, creative areas, business areas, technology. So this is a really great handout. I just kind of wanted to quickly show you the best way to look at it.